We're here to make some clay pots. I know, like, this could be, you can do
I was doing it in Japanese before vlogging, but like I narrate in Japanese. It's interesting because like I'm foreigner, right?
Oh, it's like those foreigners in like different countries and then they just like go up to the locals and they like start
See, I'm not that bold.
Oh, okay.
People, but like okay, because with Japanese people, like they don't have like we live in the US, we have so many different race people. Like we're in Japan and just the Japanese people. So like they get way more interested when I see a Japanese person, a non-Japanese person speaking Japanese. It's more rare.
Yeah.
So, that's my idea. But we'll like commit to it.
We'll finish tonight.
To go forward.
Good morning, guys. So I decided to do a small get ready with me since I haven't done that yet and it's been a while since I've done that. I'm currently running on 2 hours of sleep, so the biggest problem is my skin has been breaking out a lot since I haven't been sleeping well today, so I'm gonna try to get my skin back, hopefully. So here is the cleanser I've been using these days. So I'll wash my face with this first. I'm missing coffee a lot, and coffee in America is quite expensive compared to South Korea. But I'm planning to go to a coffee shop today since I really want to drink an Americano. I'm also planning to go to the job fair today since I want to get a part-time job if it's possible. But I do have quite a busy schedule, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. I realized in my last vlog I didn't really talk to you guys one-on-one. By the way, this is my toner pad that I use. So I'll tell you guys some of my thoughts today about how I feel about my exchange life so far. So I've met a lot of people. I've met both exchange students as well as American students who are currently studying at UT Austin. And what I realized about myself is a lot of you guys know I'm quite introverted in nature, but coming here made me realize how much more closed off and introverted I am. And I've been trying really hard to get out of my comfort zone. So yeah, one of my biggest goals during my exchange program is to get better at my public speaking or just speaking to people in general. It's something I've always struggled with, and this is a perfect opportunity to get out of my comfort zone. I came to a country where I didn't know anyone, and a lot of my exchange friends had the same problem, so it is a perfect opportunity for me to really just get out there and talk to people and really improve my social skills. Okay, next I'm gonna use this and this serum. The second thing I want to improve besides my social skills is my skin and my health. Since the gym here is free for all students, I'm trying to go to the gym, but it's been hard to find time, but that's just an excuse from my end. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna use this collagen, I don't know, some kind of capsule cream. It looks really cool inside. It looks like this. It has like little capsules. This is my favorite sunscreen. I always recommend this to people, especially my foreign friends. But so far, I'm so grateful for everyone that has been so kind to me. That's enough me rambling on. Now I'm gonna change into some better clothes. It's really cold in Austin. It's gonna snow on Sunday, I think, which is insane. I did not expect snow in Austin, but I guess we're getting snow later. Okay, I'll see you guys in class or at a cafe later on.
What? You say it's not? I know. You think I don't know? Yeah, you're always.
Different flavors.
Yeah.
It snowed so much last night. Also, I caught a cold, so I sound like this right now. We're making popcorn.
That is actually, maybe I should get another cup of milk. But we've got our movie set up. We're gonna
Yeah.
watch The Breakfast Club. It's like one of the more classic American movies. It's only from 1985, but classic as in it's like everybody knows it, everybody's seen it kind of movie. And it's like very American culture, right? We have popcorn that's from the microwave.
Yeah, we got popcorn.
This is something I used to do a lot as a kid. And so it's really cold outside today. So we wanted to get hot chocolate, but the issue is that when I went to the Target near our dorm, there was no hot chocolate except for this really suspicious brand. So I got chocolate milk instead. And theoretically we can microwave it, but I think it's okay cold because we're inside. But it's our cutesy movie setup. Yes, the movie will take a second to load probably. You know, I wish there was a more optimal setting for like, I could put my TV, no, I think the TV will be good there. Because there's not a lot of good places to put it. But it is the most high visibility spot for like viewing spot right now.
Yeah.
So because we landed, if we die when we land in our new location, we're gonna get sent back.
We're going on a mission, guys.
It's our Minecraft Let's Play era.
Guys, I just found out that my class got cancelled again. So it's been cancelled on Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday. And the classes are getting cancelled tomorrow as well, which is insane because of the snow outside. Like, this would never happen in my school because it snows all the time in Korea. But this is crazy. I can't believe they're canceling class for 2 days. So I've been extremely sick for the last 4 days, which is a good thing that I'm not going to class since I don't think I could have gone to class anyways. But since class is cancelled, I don't have to worry about that anymore. So yeah. I've just been in my dorm because it's way too cold outside for me to do anything. So that's why I haven't been filming much, but I just wanted to tell you guys that class has been cancelled again, which is insane. So yeah, hopefully I get better soon and I'll show you guys things that I'll do after I get better and after this sickness goes away. Good morning, guys. So there's still snow outside since school is cancelled today. I'm currently going to the hospital to get my TB test, but also to check my flu and see if I can get medication for that or just advice on that. So that's my plan today. I'm just planning to study and stay in my dorm all day, so I probably won't do anything exciting.
Inside or outside during the
Chefs, like, you know, adding the stuff.
Everyone has one or yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Like, just for your home. Like, at home. Yeah.
Yeah, or you can call. Sorry.
You can do it.
근데 너무 이게 마음에 안 들어.
Wow, so impressive. Wow, you did it right.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Jack.
We just met at this party.
So true.
Hi, I'm Sharon. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. We're meeting each other. That's crazy, actually. Hello, guys. My friend Maxine. Oh, that was good. Hello, guys. Hi. What's your name? Anjabra. I met her at a party. Yeah, she's so cool, guys. Bye. Hello guys, this is my outro.
Yes.
I have my roommate here.
Yes, I'm back again. Sunny met a lot of people this week, including she met so many people that I know just randomly out in the wild. And I think that's so
Exactly.
funny.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully we'll do more things like that next week. Bye guys.
Bye bye. Oh, also whoever said I look like Avril Lavigne, thank you.
Yeah, you're so right about that.
I appreciated that comment.
I love that comment too. Okay, bye guys.
Bye bye.